Hi everyone, welcome to Art with Kendra. Today I'm going to draw a scrub jay as quickly as I can here. The tone of my paper is quite dark, which is going to help me out actually. Okay, I think that's about where the face is. Beak is a little bit more precise. It's got a bit of a curve to it there. All right, now we got our tail feathers. And we have our feet. And I think I can even add just a little bit of tone here for this little piece here. All right, now I'm going to go into a darker gray, and I'm going to start to call out some of these darker areas. This one is almost out of ink. Just switch the edge here. Here's where my eye is. That shadow on the beak, call that out. Probably look quite messy here for a little while. Yeah, this one is just a little too dry to be that effective, so I'm gonna move on from here. All right, I'm gonna start to put in my base here. Go in with this color. Okay, I'm gonna add some of my blues. A little bit of blue up in here. This is a very cool, like kind of a blue. That means it's leaning away from green and leaning towards purple. The beak does look like it has some blue in it here. Now, one of the things I like about doing a marker base is I can actually pull a lot of this back when I add in my colored pencil. So now I'm doing the eye. That takes a little bit more control. There's a few areas I like to have a little bit of a control in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the bottom of our beak there. Little tiny bits throughout here. A little bit of darkness right there. Got some right there. Got some right here. A little bit in our tail. So this isn't quite a, this isn't quite black. This is actually a gray. So I'll be able to dial this back when I add in my colored pencil, which will be good. All right, I feel like I need just a little bit more. And there we go. This gray is a little stronger here. You'll see what a difference the colored pencil is going to make. Oh, I forgot to set my timer. So I have no idea how long this drawing is taking me. And I have my 2-year-old son here to check on me, which will probably slow me down a beat as well. I feel like I need more vibrancy in that blue, so I'm just gonna go in one more time here. Oops, that's not gonna work. I wonder what color this one is. Let's see here, probably. Oh, that'll work. All right. Can't always tell based on the color of the pens outside what color you're gonna get. Just want to really make sure that my blue has some intensity before I start to go in with everything else. All right, time for the colored pencils. I'm going to start with white. We'll use up our white here today. A little bit harder to draw when your pencil's all kind of you know, short and gotta grip it in a funny way, but that's all right. I'll just have a few little highlight areas in here, a little bit right there. Bye-bye, sweetie. Oh, what did you spill? You okay, bud?
Look at all these guys are friends.
Oh, look at that.
Because look,
Perfect.
she's rainbow and she's rainbow and Nora's also rainbow.
Oh, very nice. You got matching peg dolls there.
Yeah, and I want to be.
Okay, now I think I'll go in with some lighter blue. And this will kind of help to differentiate some of these things. Oh, I wish I set my timer. I didn't even look at a clock. I was just relying on that timer there. Oh well. Maybe I'll try to wrap this up and see if I can keep within my 2-minute window here to sharpen my white. I have a little bit of white I want to add into the feet here before I get too far. Those nails on a bird are always kind of intimidating. All right, I'm back in with my blue. I think I need a deeper blue. Maybe this one will work. Yeah, that's kind of nice for those shadows. Beautiful intense blue, actually. This one will be good.
Maybe I can bring these pig dolls.
Bring the peg dolls to where, sweetie? Pardon?
Edmonton.
Oh, yeah, you totally can.
But Mommy,
Yes, sweetie. Okay, I should probably dial this back. Oh, I completely forgot about this piece here. Okay, so I think I need to darken that quite a bit. So let's see, I'm gonna go in with this. I kind of forgot about this whole area here. Here I was thinking I was almost done, but I do need to do this. This is part of the drawing. Just darken a little bit of that right there. I usually don't go back in with marker after I'm kind of done with my colored pencil, but I think today it might work nicely just to have a little bit more intensity in some areas. There we go. Oops, there's my son knocking over all my stuff.
What?
Did you make a mess? Did you make a mess? Let's see, get some nice bright. It's way brighter than the picture, but you know what? It's okay. Maybe dull it down with this a little bit. Some brown here. sure those claws are coming through. Give a little shadow around the back of these feet. Yeah, you know, that's probably good. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me draw. Yeah, if you want to see more art, you can go to creations_by_Kendra on Instagram or Creations by Kendra on Facebook. And I also do teach. I teach speed drawing in my high school sketchbook club, but yeah, I teach a lot of stuff art related. So look me up, Kendra Malcolm. All right, thanks so much. Bye.